Hello, hello, friends. Bing and Rolly have adventures again. They're calling us for a visit. Come and see what's going on here today. Let's go. We need 4 corners. Yes. Corners number 1. Wait, maybe this? No, it's not right. Maybe this? Oh no, it's not right plates. Invariance number 3? No. 4. Yes, now it's right. Cool. Corners number 2? This? No. This? Yes, look, it's right. Cool. Corners number 3. No, it's not right plates. Number 4? Variant. Yes, look, it's right. And corners number 4. Ta-da-da-da, it's right. And now we need peach puzzles with line these. Yes, look, it's cool and it's right. This? No. This peach puzzles? No. This. Look, yes, it's right. Peach puzzles. Yes. Look, it's right plate. This peach puzzle? No, it's not right. And maybe this? No, it's not right. And yes, this is right. Look, it's. Oh yeah, I think this peach puzzles. No, not this. Maybe this. Yes, I think so. This. Yes, it's cool. It's right. This peach puzzles. Only this. Yes, woohoo! It's right. And one peach puzzles with line. Yes. Were this or this? No, it's not right. This. Yes. And friends, they and see. Bing and Rolly. Oh, thank you, friends. Thank you. Good job. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you. Bye bye.